Hello everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about the different browser commands in Selenium. These commands are essential for controlling the browsers during automation, like opening and closing the browser, navigating through pages, and managing browser windows. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I will explain about the scrolling. So let's begin. Create a new Python file. Where right click on this Python project new and then click on Python file. Enter the file name browser underscore commands and then click on Python file. Let's import the WebDriver. Import the WebDriver and then initialize the URL. In this tutorial, I will explain how to navigate to the URL, get the page title, get the current URL, and how to refresh the page, and how to back and how to use forward command. After this, we will use the driver.wait and driver.close command. In this tutorial, I will explain this browser commands step by step. So let's begin. First, use the URL is equal to copy this URL and paste here. We can navigate to the URL by using driver.get URL. This command is used for navigate to the URL. Let's add some bit here. After navigating to this URL, time.slip 3 seconds. Let's run this script. It just open the Chrome browser and navigate to the URL. The second command is driver.maximize window. Maximize window used for open the web page in maximize window. Add 3 seconds wait here. Let's run this script. First, it will navigate to this URL and maximize the window. After 3 seconds wait, it maximize the window. And the third command is getting the current URL. Current underscore URL is equal to driver dot current URL. After getting the current URL, we can print the current URL in a console by using print. Now, run this script. It will navigate to this URL and wait for 3 seconds and then maximize the window. And after getting maximize the window, it will get the current URL and print the current URL in a console. Here you can view the current URL print in a console. Same, we can get the title of the page. This is the title of the page. We can get the title of this page by using title is equal to driver.title and then print this title in a console. Add some wait here after print the current URL in a console time.slip 2 seconds. In this scenario, First, it will navigate to this URL, maximize the window, and get the current URL. After getting the current URL, it wait for 2 seconds and then print the title of the page in a console. Here you can view this is the current URL of the web page and this is the title of the web page. Now I will show you how to perform the refresh driver dot refresh. This is used for refresh the web page, and this command is used, driver.get current URL is used for get the current URL, and this command is used for get the title of the web page. Now I will show you how to refresh the web page. Add some wait here, time dot select and 2 seconds. Now I will show you how to perform the back and forward. Suppose you want to go to the next page or previous web page, you can use the back and forward commands for performing this action. First, you need to open the next page. Here you can perform only back action. So you need to first open the next page. Here we can look at this element used by link text driver dot find element by dot link text, and the link text is news dot click. Add some wait after clicking on this link, 2 second wait, and then you will perform the back action, driver dot back, and then wait for 2 seconds. After wait 2 seconds, use this driver dot forward command. And wait after go to the next is time dot to sum. Let's run this script in this scenario. First, it will navigate to this URL and maximize the window. After maximizing the window, it will get the current URL and they get the title of the web page and then print in a console. Here you can view it. Click on the news and then click on back and then tap on the forward web page. The news page is open. The next command is driver dot quit and the driver dot close. The major difference between these commands, this command, it will close the session and it will close the entire web page, and driver dot close, it will close only current window. It will end the browser session. Let's run this script and remove this driver dot quit and run this script and see what happened. First, open the Chrome browser and navigating to this URL. After performing this all action, it will close the browser. Suppose you have multiple windows. In this scenario, if you use the driver dot close, then it will only close the current window. Other remaining window will not close. That is for tutorial on Selenium browser commands. Now you know how to open, close and navigate the browser. If you like this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SQ World for more automation tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.